Next topic is permitting.
Okay.
So
E-
that's a big thing
right.
with these days. So does this job need a permit? What jobs classify as needing permits?
Okay, so a lot of it is going to depend on your municipality, right? Where are
Right.
you located at? What the scope of work is for the job. There's a lot of ins and outs that go into this question, so I'll try to keep it as brief as I can. Typically, Pasco County right now, Pinellas County also has it. Pasco County calls it a simple remodel permit. Pinellas County calls it a combo permit. But essentially, they're the same things, and what they are is if you're doing a remodeling project of pretty much any type, they're going to require this permit to be had. A lot of the actual individual processes in the actual remodeling process don't require a permit, but because we're bundling them all together and doing the process, they
Right.
want the permit pulled. Things that do absolutely require a permit, at least per Pasco County, when we're remodeling a bathroom, if we're changing out your shower valve, your handle, that's got to be permitted. If we're changing out a shower pan or a liner, that's got to be permitted. Pasco County is even requiring now when a bathtub is changed, that must be permitted, which that wasn't prior like that, but it is now. So when I hear customers tell me that their contractor said that they didn't need a permit, if any one of those three things are done, bare minimum it needed that permit. The issue is
Mm.
when a plumbing inspector comes in to inspect that, the first thing he's going to say is, "Well, why does the permit just say the bathtub?" Well, that's all I need permitted. And he's going to say, no, you need a simple remodel permit.
Right.
You need to have your backer board inspected, your top out inspection done, your plumbing trim, your building final. All of those things got to be done at that point. So there's a lot that goes into the permitting question. If any of you guys have any questions about permitting, just feel free to reach out to me after this, and we can kind of make that happen. I can go through it on a case by case basis.
Thank you. Fantastic.